first, we're gonna have all our ingredients prepped before we start. So first, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of black pepper, we're gonna add 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. So now we're gonna add our diced red and green peppers, some diced onions. We're gonna give it a stir. We wanna incorporate all the seasonings, all the vegetables, and we're gonna let this boil and simmer so that the rice can absorb all the flavors from the vegetables and the seasonings. This smells amazing. Adding some more onion powder. Garlic powder. And remember to season the rice to your liking. More oregano. More paprika. We're gonna give this a stir. This really smells good. So we're gonna let this simmer off to the side. And now we're gonna start our refried beans. Gonna shake some onion powder. Garlic powder. Now some onion powder. Now that the beans have simmered, we're gonna stir that in. Stir it in very well so that the seasonings can be incorporated into the beans. And we don't need to put too much salt in this because it's already salty. So right here, I just put some Pam spray and a tablespoon of cooking oil into the pan. Throw some diced onions in there. Now we're gonna add our turkey meat. You can add ground beef, whatever protein that you like. So here we're just breaking down the meat a little bit more. Adding some onion powder here. Some black pepper. Some more oregano. Some paprika. Gonna add our taco seasoning. And remember not to put any salt in this because the taco seasoning has a lot of sodium already. So we're just gonna stir this up into the turkey meat. As you can see, the meat is browning already. This smells unbelievable, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any videos. So we're just letting this simmer for a little bit. I like to make sure my meat is thoroughly cooked through. Oh yeah, by the way, off camera, I added some lime juice into the meat. Blend this until smooth. Okay, now we're gonna warm our flour tortillas. We're gonna warm it up on each side for at least 20 seconds, no more than that. Now it's time to build our burrito. So we have some sour cream. We're gonna throw on our yellow rice. Add our ground turkey meat, our refried beans, some diced tomatoes, some lettuce, our grated Mexican cheese. Yo, my mouth is watering. Can't wait to dig into this. Uh-oh. It's a guacamole rolling off the top. All right, so we're just gonna try to make this neat as possible. We're gonna pinch the sides, over, pinch the side. Roll, roll. Tuck that in, tuck that in, and there you go. Roll it a little bit more and we have a perfect burrito. We're just gonna do the same thing over again. Sour cream, some cheese. Some lettuce. More lettuce. Just removing a dark piece of lettuce from the burrito. Some guac. Some diced tomatoes. Some yellow rice. Some refried beans. Our homemade chipotle sauce. Bam, that looks nice. All right, so we're gonna get ready to roll this. Tuck, over, tuck, roll and tuck, roll, tuck, and there you go. So now we're just gonna add the finishing touches. We're gonna brown the top and bottom. I would say no more than 30 seconds on the grill on each side. It's gonna give it that nice professional look. Beautiful. All right, time to plate it up. Here they are with some mild salsa. And I cut it open so you guys can see the inside. Like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for more videos.